Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapurni Food Express. Today I brought for you a special sweet recipe that you can serve after lunch or dinner. If you serve a sweet recipe after lunch or dinner, the taste of the lunch and dinner will be enhanced so much. So friends, today I brought for you sweet potatoes kheer recipe. It is a very tasty recipe. Also, you can make this recipe at your home very easily. So friends, if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. So let's go and see how it is made. Friends, today I brought 500 grams of sweet potato from the market. Then I washed it very nicely. Now I will peel the outer part of the sweet potato very nicely. You can see I peeled it very nicely. After peeling the potato very nicely, now I will cut it into small size. Because the potato size is not equally, so I tried to cut it into small size. You can see I cut it into small size. You can see the size. After that, now I will take a pressure cooker and give all the potato into it. After giving all the potato into it, now I will give some salt and turmeric powder and give 3 whistles of it. Friends, I brought 500 grams of sweet potato from the market and I peeled it very nicely. But I don't have enough milk for this, that's why I take the 50% potato of this and make the sweet recipe. You can see after 3 whistles our potato boiled very nicely. You can see it. Now I will put it down on a plate and take half of the potato and smash it with my hand. You have to smash it with your hand because you have to smash little more, not so much. After smash it little more, you can see it smashed very nicely. Now I will take a pot and give 500 milliliter milk into it and boil it very nicely. You have to take double amount of the potato. After boiling it very nicely, now I will put the gas low and give some sugar into it. You can give the sugar how much sweet you want to eat. After giving the sugar, now I will add semolinas. Then I will add some peanut. If you want, you can use the cashew nut also. I don't like cashew nut so much, that's why I don't use it. After giving all the ingredients, now I will stir it with a spatula very nicely. When you stir it, please keep the flame medium and boil it little more. You can see after little more it boils so nicely. Now I will keep the flame low again and give the smashed boiled sweet potato into it. After giving all the potato into it, then I will keep the flame medium again and boil it little more. When you boil the potato, you have to stir it with a spatula little more because if you don't stir it, it will be burned from the lower side. After boiled it little more, you can see it boiled so nicely and you have to keep the flame medium. When it will be boiled very nicely, then you keep the flame low. That means when it will be not boiled, you have to keep flame medium. When it will be boiled very nicely, you have to keep the flame low. Like this, you have to boil 6 to 7 minutes and you have to boil it very nicely. And you have to stir it 6 to 7 times after little more, that it will be not burned out. Now I will add ghee into it because if you add the ghee, the taste of the kheer will be enhanced so much. Now I will boil it little more in low flame for 1 to 2 minutes more. After boiling it, then I will put the gas off. So friends, you can see our kheer looks very nice but it looks little liquid. No problem friends, when it will be cooled, the kheer will be thick. So now I will serve it on the bowl like this liquid. When it will be become cool, it will be thick. Friends, our today's recipe sweet potatoes kheer is ready. Please comment me how you like this video because your comments is valuable for me. Now I will serve it with peanuts, semolina and some tutti frutti and decorate it very nicely. So friends, if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to see any video, please comments me. Thank you for watching my video.